Ever uploaded a video and watched it get 0 views, even when you thought it was really good? Today, we'll break down exactly why that happens, calmly, factually, and without myths. First, it's important to understand 0 views is rarely random. YouTube doesn't pick favorites or punish quality content. Instead, your video enters a testing phase. It's shown to a small sample of viewers to see how they interact. If early metrics are low, watch time, clicks, retention, YouTube slows distribution. This isn't failure. It's a system evaluating your content. When a video is first uploaded, YouTube shows it to a tiny portion of your potential audience. It measures click-through rate, did people click your video when it appeared, average view duration, how long did they actually watch, session continuation, did they keep watching other content after yours? A video can have perfect content, but low early CTR or short watch time. That causes fewer impressions, which creates the perception of 0 views. Not every good video matches what viewers are actively looking for. You can make an excellent video on a niche topic, but if search demand is low, it will naturally reach fewer people. This is called a demand mismatch. Content quality is only one part of visibility. Understanding your audience and topics matters more than just making good videos. Many creators think copying viral videos will guarantee views. It doesn't. YouTube tests fresh content in context. If your video is too similar to an existing viral clip, YouTube may limit reach because it already has high-performing content in that niche. Instead of copying, focus on unique perspective plus clear presentation. Creators often misunderstand YouTube signals. Comments and likes don't directly boost recommendations. Upload frequency alone does not guarantee reach. Titles and thumbnails need curiosity, not hype or clickbait. Early analytics matter most. YouTube rewards content that retains viewers and keeps them engaged across sessions, not just one video. So what can you do to avoid 0 view frustration? Focus on retention. Keep viewers watching 50 to 70% of video or more. Optimize clickable but honest titles. Test thumbnails. Small changes can improve early CTR. Pick topics with existing demand, even if niche. Even if the first few videos get few views, this system gradually learns which content resonates with your audience. 0 views doesn't mean failure. It's just the platform testing, evaluating, and learning. Understanding this process is the first step towards creating videos that eventually reach the right viewers consistently. Stay patient, stay analytical, and focus on system, not luck.